Still on entertainment, Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, is once again raising concerns about a recent government proposal to take control of the party permit process, warning it could undermine the authority of local government. He questions what role local government would have left if its core functions are stripped, stressing the importance of maintaining municipal authority. Giselle Mills has more.
In August, Entertainment Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange announced plans to establish a one-stop-shop permit system following a proposal for a unified one-road authority. At Tuesday's monthly meeting of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, Kingston Mayor Andrew Swaby again lamented that the proposals will undermine the authority of municipal authorities.
That has been announced by the government. One, the creation of a one-road authority, and two, the establishment of a centralized one-stop shop for entertainment permits. Both proposals seems to be clear signal to move to centralization that strengthens the very foundation of local government. We strongly believe that if this is to take place, municipal corporation should be the central authority.
The Kingston Mayor questions what role will remain for local government if its core functions are removed.
The shift of a single central authority for roads and national permit system for entertainment will remove two of our core functions. If roads and events regulation are taken away, what remains with the local government?
The mayor added that municipal corporations already have systems in place to effectively execute these responsibilities.
For many years, municipal corporations have been responsible for local roads, community infrastructure, and the regulation of entertainment events. We have built the system, the capacity, and the partnership to carry out these functions responsibly and efficiently. Municipal corporations have already played an integral role in these processes. We coordinate daily with agencies and work closely with the police, fire, health, and sanitation teams to ensure that these events are safe and compliant. This is not theoretical capacity. It is proven performance.
Giselle Mills, CVM News.